Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and place a trade on Binance Futures. Alright, so I'm actually using the Binance desktop application. So I'm going to go to Futures section and come to USDM. So once you click on it, then let me explain something real quick. The USDM futures has to do with you using USDT against other currencies. And if you go to coin M, which means you're going to be trading with another coin. All right, so it's just very easy. All right, so right here on the Binance Futures, it's very easy. Let me explain everything real quick. So this is your chart right here. This is the chart. You can actually analyze your trade right here, and most traders prefer to make their analysis or do the analysis on trading view. And you can see the time frame. You can change the time frame. So each candlestick means each time you're actually on. So I'm actually on a 1 hour time frame, which means each candlestick is going to form a 1 hour. All right, so each candlestick is actually 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. All right, so if you want to place a trade, it's very easy. So you can say this is BTC USDT. So for example, let me go to GMT USDT. So I click on it and it's going to show the trade. So yeah, so I'm sure you're familiar with the other book, right? Familiar with the other book. This is the buy and this is the sell, and this is short. Sorry, this is long and this is short. All right, so if you want to place a trade, it's very easy. All you have to do is, we have limits, we have markets, we have stop limits. So limit has to do with, you're going to set when you want to go ahead and enter into the market, and you're going to put the size, the target size here. You can put it here, and you can actually drag this to select how much USDT you want to risk, all right, in getting this particular or entering this trade. All right, and you can also set a stop loss. To set a stop loss, you just click on the TP. You can click on TP/LSL, then you go ahead and place in a stop loss. All right, so I'll just go ahead and click on. Okay, so let's say, for example, let's copy this. Okay, let's say stop loss at 305, then take profit at 3032. Okay, all right, so we've done that. So now we're going to enter a price. So enter a price. Let's say we want to trade to, okay, so right now it's at, okay, so let's say when the trade comes down to 0.3117, so right now it's at 0.3125. all right, so once it comes down to this price, it's going to trigger. So if I go ahead and click on buy, right now it can't work because I don't have any money in my fund and wallet. I'm sorry, my futures wallet. So you need to have assets in your futures wallet before you can actually place a trade. And once you've done that, you just have to drag this and select the percentage and click on long. All right, so depending on the assets, let me explain something else real quick. So we actually have two types of margin. We have cross margin and isolated margin. So cross margin means if you don't set a stop loss and you enter a trade with $10 or 10 USDT, it means once your asset is liquidated, it's going to take from your balance, your available balance. It's going to continue the trade with your available balance. But with the isolated has to do with, you enter a trade with $10, and once you get liquidated, the trade is going to close. Which means it's not going to take from your available balance. So if you're actually a beginner and you want to make money, then you definitely want to stick with the isolated margin. So you click on confirm, and that's it. So now you come to 20x. This 20x has to do with leverage. So leverage has to do with you being able to enjoy a lot of benefits from the market. All right. So the leverage, we have different kind of leverage. For GMT USDT, we have a maximum leverage of 40x. Okay, we have maximum leverage of 50x. All right, right here. And it basically it's not advisable for you to go ahead and make use of 50x leverage. Most people stick with 10x and 20x leverage. All right, so you want to stick with that. All right, so you don't want to go below above. And I think BTC USDT has about 100 plus 100 100x. All right, so I'll click on confirm, and this is set. So now you can go ahead and place your trade. You can place your trade with this. So yeah, so you might be wondering, how do you move your assets um, from your from your spot to your futures? It's very easy. I'll come to the dashboard. Go into my dashboard. So wait for it to load. All right. So I'll come to assets, then come to spot. Right now, I don't have any amount of money on my Binance account. So it's loading. So what you do is you tap on transfer and you change that to whatever. I change that to USDC. You change that to USDC futures, and you change the coin. Since it has to do with USDT, you type in USDT right here, and it's going to load. I don't know what's going on. So I don't know why it's not loading right now, but you tap on USDT. Let me try this. Okay, so why it's not going? Okay, I think I got hold of what's wrong. It's because I don't have USDT balance. I don't have any USDT on my account. That's why I can't see the coin. So once you tap on this and you search USDT, once you have USDT in your account, it's going to show, and you can click on the max and add it. So right now I have only BNB, so that's why it's showing me BNB. So I can click on confirm, and it will be converted into my futures account, which is right here. Right, so from your futures account, you can go ahead and trade the market. Right, so it's that easy. So now I think I've taught you how to go ahead and place a trade on Binance. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, kindly like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.